With the leaving cert approaching, many students feel overwhelmed. You might wonder, where do I even start? The secret isn't working harder, it is planning smarter. Today I'll show you a very simple way to create a study plan that will actually help you stay on track and reduce stress. Start by listing all the subjects you are taking. Then break each subject into topics or chapters. This gives you a clear overview of everything you need to cover and makes the workload feel manageable. The next step is planning high value topics. So, not all topics are equally important. Focus first on the topic that carry the most marks or appear frequently in exams. This ensures that your study time gives the biggest return on effort. Divide your day into short study sessions of 45 to 60 minutes. It includes breaks between sessions. It's better to have consistent focus study that long exhausting marathons that leave you tired and stressed. With this approach, listing topics, prioritizing and scheduling focus session, you will have a study plan that actually works. It reduces stress, improves focus and help you to make steady progress every day.